This is part 1 of how to fix the No Audio Device is Installed problem on Windows 11. Fix 1. Check if Windows detects the audio device. First, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Now, right-click on your audio device and select Enable Device. If you do not see any audio device listed, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. You can also click on Action and then select Scan for hardware changes. After that, follow the same steps I just showed to enable the audio device. Hopefully this fixes the problem. If not, move on to the next method. Fix 2. Reinstall the audio driver. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device and select Uninstall Device. If you see a box that says Delete the driver software for this device, check that box and then click Uninstall. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. Windows will try to reinstall the audio driver automatically, and hopefully this will solve the problem. That's all for today.